Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's on everyone's mind: how to get rich. Let's be honest, getting wealthy is a dream for many, but it often feels like there's a secret code you need to crack. Well, fear not. While there's no guaranteed path to riches, there are definitely strategies you can put in place to build a secure and prosperous future. So, grab your favorite drink, settle in, and let's get cracking on how to become financially fantastic. Mythbusters, get-rich-quick schemes. Let's start by debunking some myths. Forget about lottery tickets and get-rich-quick schemes. They're just not realistic. Building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires discipline, planning, and smart choices over time. Building strong foundations. Alright, now let's get down to brass tacks. The first step is to get a handle on your finances. Track your income and expenses. There are tons of budgeting apps out there to help. Seeing your money in black and white will shed light on where your cash is flowing. Once you understand your spending habits, you can identify areas to cut back and free up more money to put towards your wealth-building goals. Habit stacking for wealth. Next, let's talk about saving. Ideally, you want to aim for at least 15% of your income. But hey, even small amounts add up over time, thanks to the magic of compound interest. Think of it as your money making money. The earlier you start saving, the more time your money has to grow. Even putting away a small amount consistently can make a big difference down the road, earning more to grow more. While saving is key, increasing your income can also accelerate your wealth-building journey. Look for ways to boost your earning potential. Could you negotiate a raise? Take on a side hustle that aligns with your skills and interests? Invest in skill development to qualify for higher-paying jobs in your field? Remember, your earning potential grows with your knowledge and experience. Investing, making your money work for you. Saving is great, but to truly watch your wealth grow, consider investing. This means putting your money into assets that have the potential to generate returns over time. Stocks, bonds, and mutual funds are all options, but definitely do your research before jumping in. A financial advisor can also be a valuable resource to help you create an investment strategy tailored to your risk tolerance and financial goals. Living frugally, not cheaply. Here's the deal. Living frugally doesn't mean depriving yourself of everything you enjoy. It's about being mindful of your spending and prioritizing your financial goals. Can you brew coffee at home instead of grabbing that daily latte? Pack lunch a few times a week? Find cheaper alternatives for entertainment? There are plenty of ways to cut back without feeling like you're sacrificing everything. It's about making smart swaps and prioritizing experiences over material possessions. The power of patience. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your fortune. Building wealth is a long-term game. There will be ups and downs in the market, and there will be times when you might be tempted to stray from your plan. But stay focused, be patient, and don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. The road to riches is paved with knowledge. Financial literacy is key on your wealth-building journey. There are tons of resources available to help you learn more about personal finance. Check out books, blogs, and educational videos. Don't be afraid to seek guidance from a financial advisor who can help you create a personalized plan. There you have it. These are some actionable steps to get you started on your wealth-building journey. If you want to deep dive into any of these topics, leave a comment below and I'll be happy to make a whole video on it. Remember, knowledge is power, and financial literacy is the key to unlocking your financial future. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more personal finance tips.